So, I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic CS, Cloud Computing, subject CS 335. The topic I'm going to take is Cloud Architecture. So, Cloud Architecture is one of the demanding technology of the current time and which is giving a new shape to every organization by providing on-demand virtualized services or resources. Starting from small to medium and medium to large, every organization uses cloud computing resources for storing information and accessing it from anywhere and anytime with the help of the network. So the cloud architecture is divided into two parts, front and back end. So cloud infrastructure, the front end consists of the cloud infrastructure that is available on the client side. Through the internet we can connect it to the back end. The back end consists of the application, services, cloud runtime, environment, storage and infrastructure. So the management of this backend and the security also plays a vital role. So architecture of cloud computing is a combination of both service oriented architecture, this is for web services, and event driven architecture. So client infrastructure, application, services, runtime cloud, the storage, infrastructure management and security, all these are the components of cloud computing architecture. So we will see first one by one. So front end. The first one is the front end. Front end of the cloud architecture refers to the client side of the cloud computing system. It means it contains all the user interfaces and applications which are used by the client that is used to access the cloud computing services or resources. For example, the use of web browser to access the platform. Cloud infrastructure is a part of the front-end component. It contains application and user interfaces which are required to access the cloud platform. So in other words, it provides a graphical interface to interact with the cloud. Backend. Backend refers to the cloud itself. It is used by the service provider. It contains the resources as well as it manages the resources and provides security mechanisms. Along with this, it includes huge storage, the vast amount of storage in terabytes and petabytes, virtual applications, virtual machines, traffic control mechanisms, deployment models, etc. So we'll see the components one by one. So application. So as you all know, application backend refers to a software, basically a software or a platform to which the client access. It means that it provides a service in backend as per the client requirement. Service in the backend refers to the major three types of cloud-based services: platform as a service PaaS, and software as a service SaaS, and infrastructure as a service IaaS. It also manages which type of service the user accesses. And runtime cloud in the backend, it provides a execution environment or execution runtime platform environment to the virtual machine. So storage in the backend provides flexible and scalable storage. So why we are saying that is scalable, it can be extended to n number of clients, storage service and management of stored data at a time. So infrastructure 24/7. So cloud infrastructure in the backend refers to the hardware and software components of the cloud, like it includes servers, storage, network devices, virtualization software, etc. The management in backend refers to the management of backend components like applications, services, runtime cloud, storage, infrastructure and other security. Security in the backend refers to the implementation of different security mechanisms in the backend. So because you have to secure the resources, systems, files and infrastructure to the end users. So internet connection acts as a medium that connect the front end and the back end. So it establishes interaction and communication between front end and the back end. So database in the back end refers to provide database for storing structured data such as SQL and NoSQL databases. So example of database services include Amazon RDS, Microsoft Azure SQL database, Google Cloud. So networking in the backend services that provide networking infrastructure for application in the cloud. So the services may be load balancing, domain name service and virtual private network. So analytics in the backend service that provides analytics capabilities for data in the cloud, how much data is stored, how frequently it is accessed, overall accessing this, all the data, so like a database log that will be stored, such as data warehousing, business intelligence, and machine learning. So what are the benefits? We'll see the benefits one by one. It makes overall cloud computing system simpler. It improves data processing requirements. So previously it is somewhat complicated. Helps in providing high security because we are having third party, that's a trusted one. So make it more modularized. Results in better disaster recovery. Gives because the data is stored somewhere in the data center. So in the cloud, so in the form of cloud, gives good user accessibility, reduces IT operating cost, provides high level reliability and scalability. It can be extended to any number of systems.